What's up guys, in this video we will be talking about a project that is designed for privacy and tracking prevention. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Presearch. A link to this will be in the description of the video. Let's go to somewhere where we could get as much information about this project as we can. Alright, so Presearch.com stands out as a decentralized, privacy-focused meta search engine that prioritizes user data protection by ensuring your privacy and preventing tracking. All right, so unlike any traditional search engines out there, Presearch addresses growing concerns over data privacy and the limitations of echo chamber algorithms by delivering a secure, unbiased search experience that is powered by a decentralized network of nodes. Now, with over 130,000 monthly active users, imagine that. So they have been there for quite some time already, and they are already being used by a lot of people with their searching. And imagine this, guys. Daily, they are getting 450,000 searches. All right, so Presearch is one of the world's largest multilingual meta search engine that is driven by blockchain technology. Now, through its search to earn program, Presearch rewards users with pre-tokens, so PRE tokens. So Presearch is actually rewarding users with pre-tokens for conducting searches and promoting a unique user experience that combines privacy, all right, with tangible results or tangible incentives. This innovative approach not only provides a more private browsing experience, but also makes blockchain concepts more accessible to non-crypto users, which helps bridge the gap between mainstream internet use and the cryptocurrency engagement. So in addition to user rewards, Presearch offers an array of features that enhance digital interactions for both users and advertisers, which also includes affordable advertising, keyword staking, and a decentralized AI chatbot, and as well as a search API that are all aimed at creating a richer, fairer, and more personalized experience on their platform. Now, so advertisers in particular, guys, benefit from a level playing field with fairer and more accessible ad opportunities that reach and engage privacy-conscious audience, all right? So this is also where you could check out more about them. So the market potential for Presearch is substantial, especially with the Web3 and crypto native communities. So with integration into the platform like Base, Presearch is positioning itself as the preferred search engine for Coinbase's. So Presearch appeals to privacy-focused users platforms like Brave and DuckDuckGo, tapping into a broad global audience that values data security and independence. And this is where, again, make sure to do your own research, guys. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. But this is a good read, all right? So they have their key differentiators, community project, decentralized platform, and all that. So when you hover your mouse here, you have About Us, you have Mission and Vision, Vision Paper, you have team members and Contact Us. You could go ahead and check out this one. So this is their vision paper, all right? They have a lot of information about them here. And again, guys, this is a good read that could add up to you making more informed decisions and know what you're getting yourself into. There's a ton of projects that is actually releasing out there, but this is one that you really need to go ahead and check out because, you know, who knows? This project might just head straight to the moon. At least you are able to hop in on that spaceship and get as much information and as much profit as you can. All right. So this is their X account, guys. All right. You can go ahead and check that one out. Their Telegram. They also have a TikTok account. They have their Discord, and they also have their YouTube account. Now, all right, guys, so let me go ahead and show you the link where you could see how you could also download this. Actually, they made it easier for you to choose whatever web browsers you would like, and you could search the extensions with just one click. All right, so you can start the page extension, you could search the page extension with just one click of the button. You don't need to like search for it manually anymore. All right, and let me also show you guys where you can find the searches per day that's made by the public. All right, so daily search stats, you have the total searches, you have the rewards, the unrewarded searches, and more. So you could go ahead and check this one out, guys. I'll also put this in the link. That way you could research on this one on your own time. And this is updated daily. And you could go ahead and check them out, guys, of course. All right, guys. Also, this is Pre-GPT. This is the world's first privacy-focused generative AI chatbot that strictly sources its computing power via a decentralized network that utilizes the source LLMs. All right, so users could also access this through their Presearch account for a very affordable monthly fee of just, oh my goodness, $2. All right, you can go ahead and check this one out as well, guys. So this $2 could actually be payable by pre-tokens or fiat tokens, whatever or whichever you prefer, okay? And guys, of course, make sure to check them out. You could use the link, the referral link that I have in the description of the video. Just go ahead and click on it. It will take you directly to your website. That way you could do your own research and know what other things, what other important things you can find out about Presearch. And just like what I always tell you guys, make sure to follow all their social media platforms. That way when they have announcements, giveaways, raffle, airdrops, anything and everything that talks about the project, you will definitely be informed and you will not miss out on those. And guys, this is Presearch. Go ahead and check them out. Link to this will be in the description of the video. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.